quick update. Got the roof on in place, almost fully welded. Still got a couple of spots to hit down there, but all right, and each drip rail here welded in place all the way along. I did finish welding the front in place, ground down those welds, and got some primer on there. It's still shiny. I just put it on, so it's still drying. Next thing, grind down all my welds in the drip rail. That should be lots of fun. And then finish welding the back, grind those off, then the roof will be on. Looking into whether or not I want to get some of the lead filler for this or metal filler. I've heard both ways, but we'll see how crazy I want to get with lead. Doesn't really appeal to me. All right.